Deleting folders in Python recursively. I'm having a problem with deleting empty directories. Here is my code. The argument $_to_search is where I'm passing the directory where the work needs to be done. That directory looks like this. Note that all the above folders are empty. When I run this script, the folders 2025 alone gets deleted. But the folders 25 and 26 aren't deleted, even though they are empty folders. Edit. The exception that I'm getting are where am I making a mistake?
Try shutil.arm tree.
Here's my pure pathlib recursive directory unlinker.
The default behavior of os.walk is to walk from root to leaf. Set top-down equals false in os.walk to walk from leaf to root.
Try armtree in Schuberts from the Python standard library.
Better to use absolute path and import only the remtree function. From Schuberts import remtree. As this is a large package, the above line will only import the required function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.